Good morning, dear students. This is the class of 5th standard. Today we are going to learn new lesson. Okay? This is grammar class. Okay, lesson number 9 and topic name is adjectives quantitative. Okay? Quantitative. Look here. Adjectives. We know that what is meant by the adjective. Adjective is a word which give more information about the noun. Adjective is a word. An adjective. Remember this. An adjective is a word which gives more information or describe information about noun. Okay, we know that an adjective is a word which gives more information about noun or pronoun. Today we are going to learn, adjective quantities. Look here, adjectives of quantity or quantitative adjectives. Both words are same. Remember this. Quantity and quantitative, which shows the same meaning. Okay, quantity means praman. How many numbers? Remember this. How many numbers? When we count in numbers, that time shows the quantity. Okay, adjectives of quantity or quantitative adjectives will answer the question how much. Okay, remember this, how much, which gives the answer how much. Numbers are used to answer the questions how many. Remember this. It is only a question like that. When we ask a question, that time we get answer in numbers. That is called adjective quantity. When we want to be a more precise, expression of quantity are placed before nouns. Remember this. Expression of quantity are placed before nouns. वो nouns के पहले use होते हैं. Okay? It's useful to think about the difference between countable, that means we can count things, we can count. Okay, countable means, and uncountable. It is new words like that. Uncountable means things we cannot count. Okay, to use adjective of quantity correctly, we can use adjective of quantity in two ways. In first one is countable noun before the countable nouns and before the uncountable nouns. Look here. Generally, I will explain. Look here. One example is here. He has 10 pencils in his box or bag, in his bag, in his school bag. We can say that. Look here, 10 pencils. Okay, 10 pencils. 10, which shows the adjective of quantitative or adjective of quantity. Remember this, which give more information about this noun. Okay, 10, and it is called quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjectives of quantitative means ऐसा नंबर होता है कि वो क्या होता है कि हमारा जो आंसर है वो नंबर्स में हमें बताता है. मतलब जो नाउन्स है उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन हमें नंबर्स में देता है. नाउ लुक हियर, क्वांटिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स विद काउंटेबल नाउन्स. हम काउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ कौन से एडजेक्टिव आते हैं और कैसे आते हैं वो हम देखेंगे. लुक हियर, शी हैज मेनी फ्रेंड्स. शी हैज मेनी फ्रेंड्स. लुक, she has many friends in England, so she goes there every year for her holidays. In this example, there is word that is many and which is show the number, and it is adjective of quantity. Friends. Okay, friends is a noun, and many which shows the numbers. Okay, quantitative adjectives. I hope that you will understand. Second example, be patient. I will be with you in a couple of minutes. A couple of minutes. Okay, a couple of minutes, which shows the adjective of quantity. Remember this. And minutes. अब मिनट्स ये क्या है, यहाँ पे नाउन की जगह आया है और एक कपल ऑफ क्या है, क्वांटिटी. क्वांटिटी मतलब प्रमाण बताता है, वो नंबर्स में बताता है कितना नंबर्स है. ओके, a couple of minutes, guys, I can be like that. Okay, now look here. Only a few parents came to the concert. Look here, only a few which give more information about the parents, and it is a few. Remember, it is an adjective of quantity which use with countable noun. Okay, friends is also countable noun. We can say that one friend, two friend, like that. And then next one is every. Last example. Okay, every child. Look here, every means pratyek. Every child in the class has a pencil, a ruler, and exercise book. In this example, look here, every is a quantitative adjectives with use with countable nouns. Child, we can say that one child, two child, like this, so that in this way we can easily understand how to use quantitative adjectives with countable nouns. Now the second one is quantitative adjectives with uncountable nouns. क्वांटिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स विथ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. अब हमने देखा है कि वो काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ कैसे यूज करते हैं. अब अनकाउंटेबल नाउन जिसे हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, नंबर्स में हम क्या नहीं कर सकते, काउंट नहीं कर सकते. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो मटेरियल नाउन्स होते हैं. लुक हियर, माय मॉम यूजुअली हैज अ लिटिल हनी इन हर टी. अ लिटिल, लुक हियर, हनी मीन्स myrrh. Okay, we use in our dinner also sometimes. We use it many times in our home. Okay, a little, which shows the adjective of quantity. थोड़ा प्रमाणामध्ये. Okay, and honey is a noun. It is uncountable noun. That means we can't count one honey, two honey, three honey like that. So it is uncountable noun. Then next example. I don't have much luck. Look here, much. Much luck. Luck is a uncountable noun. And much. Much is I don't have much luck of competition. Look here, much, which is adjective of quantity. Okay, and luck is an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Okay, then we want to study quantitative adjectives with countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, look here, the first example is here. We are going camping, so we are taking lots of warm clothes and plenty of food. These two words are adjective of quantity or quantitative adjective. Remember this, lots of and plenty of. Okay, the second example, look here, plenty of warm clothes and lots of food. We can easily understand. Okay, we can say that food is a uncountable noun. We can't count food, one food, two food, like that. We count this pencil or pen, one pen, two pen, three pen, but food is an uncountable noun. And before uncountable noun, we use here lots of, that is adjective of quantity. मतलब adjective of quantity मतलब क्या है कि ऐसा जो adjective है वो quantity बताता है, numbers में आने वाली वो क्या बताता है, हमें बताता है. एडजेक्टिव ऐसा है कि जिसका आंसर हमें नंबर्स में मिलता है. वो अगर वन टाइम क्या होता है, डेफिनेट भी हो सकता है और इनडेफिनेट भी हो सकता है. नाउ लुक हियर, द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, ऑल द चिल्ड्रन इन द क्लास फिट बी 5B are taking part in the school concert. Look here, concert. All. In this example, all is a belong to quantitative adjective that gives information about the children. Okay, children is a noun. Okay, 5th B or 5B. Remember this, it is one class. So that, and next one example, pour in all of, okay, pour in all of the flour and half of the sugar. Look here, FLOUR, FLOUR means क्या आटा जो होता है और वो फ्लोर अलग होता है. फ्लोर मीन्स फर्शी. ओके, FLOUR फ्लोर मीन्स फर्शी और FLOUR फ्लोर मीन्स पीठ जो आटा रहता है फिर खाना बनाने में उसे बोलते हैं. ओके, pour in all of the flour and half of the sugar. Okay, I hope that you will understand. Okay, all of it is सर्व कहने all of. Okay, remember this in the uncountable noun. Look here, the next example. Have you got enough? Enough money. Money is uncountable noun. Remember this. Okay. Sometimes, if we say that 1 rupees, 10 rupees, that time we can say it is countable. But when they use money, that time we can say it is uncountable. Okay. Enough money for your theater ticket. Okay. Next example is here. I don't have enough eggs for this cake recipe. Enough, which shows the quantitative adjectives before the noun eggs. It comes. Okay. I hope that you will understand how to identify the quantitative adjective. That means how many in numbers or how much. When we ask a question with how many or how much, that time we get answer that shows the quantitative adjective. Okay. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.